Master the game. Understanding, play the ball. Hello and welcome, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, play the ball. Often used in sports, this expression has intriguing implications and uses beyond the field. So, whether you're a sports fan or simply keen on enriching your English vocabulary, this video is for you. Play the ball traces its roots to sports like football and rugby, where it literally means to interact with the ball according to the rules of the game. It emphasizes focusing on the ball itself, not the players or any external factors. This literal meaning laid the foundation for more metaphorical uses in everyday language. In sports contexts, play the ball advises players to concentrate on the game. It's about making strategic moves, respecting the rules, and ensuring fair play. For instance, a coach might shout, "Play the ball," to remind players to stay focused on the game and avoid distractions or aggressive confrontations with opponents. Beyond the sports field, play the ball has evolved to convey broader meanings. It's about dealing with the situation at hand rather than getting sidetracked by personal conflicts or irrelevant issues. In a business meeting, for instance, discussing the actual topic rather than diverting into personal disagreements is akin to playing the ball. It's about maintaining focus and addressing the core issues. While play the ball is widely understood, its usage can vary based on cultural and situational contexts. It's always beneficial to understand the nuances of such phrases to use them appropriately. In some contexts, the phrase might be more about fair play and ethics, while in others, it might emphasize strategy and focus. Play the ball is more than just a sports term. It's a versatile phrase encapsulating focus, strategy, and fair play in various life scenarios. We hope this exploration adds a dynamic expression to your English vocabulary and helps you appreciate the richness of language. Remember, in the game of language learning, it's not just about the words, but also how you play them. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.